us from sins. Thank you for our parents too, for their sympathy, support, and care, for loving teachers who teach us to be good, help us to be obedient to the elder, obedient and cheerful to everyone. Help us to meet challenges day by day, success in our works to do. Inspire us and guide us. Help our teachers to teach us quality education and bless our school. General Liceo Topacio National High School and our country, the Philippines.